Okay, we're going to show you a few hints and tips to get started when you receive your new DJI Mavic Pro. When it comes in the box, it will not have the bottom propellers on it. Packs better that way. So you fold the forward arms out first, and then you will fold these lower legs out. The propellers have a color coding like other DJI props. You'll see there's a white one and there's a black one, and they will match up with the motors, where this is the black one and this has the white on it. So I'll take the black one, insert it into the black motor, quarter turn to the left, and that propeller is installed. Take the white one, install it in. That one takes a quarter turn to the right, and that one's installed. The battery charging should be easy enough to figure out. There's two small tabs you push, pull your battery out. The connector is on the end here, and your battery charger will have a matching connector for that. That's easy enough. The controller that comes with it also needs charged, and this is charged via USB. On the left side here, there's this small cover that says DJI on it. You pull that off and you insert a micro USB card in there and charge it up. You can charge up the remote from the same battery charger as you charge the battery. You can also use the USB for charging up your device or other USB accessories. The remote can be used with or without a device, so you can operate the machine without a smartphone just using this, and you'll get most of the information up on the screen here. Of course, you don't get a camera view. When the phone and device is installed, these are pulled out. It comes standard with an iOS connector in this side, which will push into your machine. There's a little tab here so that you can keep pressure on it to make sure it seats into your phone. There's also in the box Android connector that would replace this one if you have an Android device. The gimbal comes with 3 different protectors on it. There's a small silicone glove, keep the bubble from getting scratched. Now the bubble is not to be used when you're flying the unit. So to remove the bubble, you just pull on this little tab at the bottom and it will pull out. And at that point you still have the gimbal holder, which is this little plastic thing in here. But a couple quick things to notice about your Mavic. These are the front facing cameras. They'll come with a small piece of plastic on it. You're going to want to remove that. Any other small pieces of plastic that are installed on the Mavic. On the underneath you have your sonar, and there's 2 bottom facing cameras. You're not going to want to block them with anything. These 2 pegs here are actually the landing gear, and they line up with the landing gear on the legs and on the front legs. So you're going to want to try to use your Mavic with a flat surface. Bring along a small piece of wood or a landing pad, or land it on a pavement or concrete, because you don't have a lot of clearance like you might with the other models. On the left side of the model, looking at it from the front, is the hatch for the SD card, and as with any of these models, the SD card goes in upside down. The little contacts on the card facing up at you, you push it in and it clicks. Once the propellers are installed, you will no longer have to remove them. It was just for the packing that they left the rear off. So basically you just fold the 2 rear arms under and fold the upper arms back, and it's ready to throw in your backpack or whatever sort of a case you have. Those are the basics for getting the DJI Mavic set up. Hope you enjoyed watching, and I hope you learned something.